गणपतिं मनसा
Good morning, sir. Principal Garu.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Sir, Satyanarayan, sir. He is our principal, sir, Dr. B.M. Satish.
Sir, very good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
He recently joined, sir, in the month of March.
Okay.
He is from mechanical engineering branch, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, shall we start, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, Yuvraj. 40 members joined, so you go
Yes,
ahead. Sir. Shall we start, sir? Satyanarayan, sir?
Sure, I'm ready. I've been ready last 5
Yes,
minutes.
sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead, Yuvraj.
Yes, sir. Good morning, all. Good morning, Dr. K.N. Satyanarayan, sir, Director, IIT Tirupati, and Dr. B.M. Satish, Principal, sir, HOD, Professor, and Chairman, US Department of Civil Engineering, Sri Vidyanathan Engineering College. And good morning to all the dignitaries and all the faculty of professors from all the colleges. Welcome to a 5-day national level online faculty development program on environment and sustainability, sponsored by AICTE. And let us start our session with invocation, with a prayer song.
गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं 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 मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महदेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतो मारकोटि प्रकाशो शान्तो महदेवसुतो गुरुगुहनुतो मारकोटि प्रकाशो शान्तो महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम्
Yes, sir. Now I request Dr. O. Ishwar Reddy, Professor HOD and Chairman BOS, Department of Civil Engineering, Srividan Kendra Engineering College, to give his welcome address. Sir, please, sir.
Thank you, Yoran. So, respected dignitaries, Professor K.N. Satyanarayana, Director IIT Tirupati, our beloved advisor cum director, Professor L. Venugopal Reddy Garu, our Director Academics and Research, Dr. P. Giridhar Reddy Garu, our beloved Principal, Dr. B.M. Satish, and speakers of this particular AICT sponsored 1 week online Atal FDP on environment and sustainability need of the day. So I would like to, at the outset, I would like to bring to your kind notice that this particular program has been in place. So because of the efforts of the department since 2 years. So we have applied last year and we didn't get this Atal FDP. Then this year we have applied and we got this. This is an opportunity for us to showcase the interest and constructive development at the Department of Civil Engineering towards environment sustainability. I would like to bring to your kind notice that the Department of Civil Engineering is offering one minor degree in sustainable engineering. So one of its very important aspect towards sustainability to develop expertise in the department, at the same time to imbibe, to inculcate the sustainability aspects in the minds of young budding engineers. So we are already offering, so since 3 years, one open elective on sustainable engineering and planning for sustainable development, and another one is rural technology. So these are the initiatives that department has taken in the past 4 or 5 years. So this year in 19 regulations, we are offering minor degree in sustainable engineering for all other branches of engineering. So with this, so I welcome all the participants and dignitaries to this AICT sponsored 1 week online Atal FDP on environment and sustainability need of the day. So total 14 sessions are planned in this particular program, and covering all the aspects like transportation, mobility, energy, sustainable design, sustainable environment, sustainability in the built environment, so and the policy issues, So, all topics which are going to affect the sustainability and future of the designs, especially future designs. So, with this opening remarks, I welcome you all, my dear participants. So, make use of the opportunity to excel in your teaching or practice with the sustainability aspects in mind, so that we can reduce the excessive consumption of natural resources. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So now I request Dr. B.M. Satish, Principal Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, to deliver his presidential address. Sir, please, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. K.N. Satyanarayana Garu. Other distinguished speakers for the day, Head of the Department, Professor Ishwar Reddy, my dear faculty, and all participants, faculty from various engineering colleges. AICTE sponsored online Atal FDP on environment and sustainability, need of the day. So this is one of the total 5 FDPs, Atal FDPs that have been sponsored to the institute. I congratulate the Civil Engineering Department for taking up this activity and providing an opportunity for the various faculty to come together and go through the various topics delivered by distinguished speakers in this particular week. Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College has been providing such a good number of opportunities for the faculty to enroll and enlighten themselves by listening to speakers who are continuously involved and bringing out their experiences through these programs. So to showcase something about our college, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College was established in 1996 by the Sri Vidyaniketan Educational Trust under the stewardship of Dr. M. Mohan Babu Garu, renowned film artist and former member of Parliament, the Rajya Sabha. The college was established in the backward region of the Rayalaseema to serve the cause of technical education with an initial intake of 180, and the intake has been increased exponentially, and it will be almost 2382 for the coming academic year, sir. So the college will now offer 15 BTech programs, 4 MTech programs, 1 MCA program from the year 2021-22. So SVEC is one of the most admired and sought-after institutions in Andhra Pradesh. So it is approved by AICTE, affiliated to JNUA, Anantapuramu, and it has been accorded the autonomous status by UGC, New Delhi, in right from the year 2010-11. The college has been known for its quality initiatives through accreditation, the National Assessment and Accreditation Council with A grade as one of the best performing institutions in the country. And we are one of the successfully implemented TechIP 2 institutes, so which has helped us in improving the learning outcomes and employability of our graduates. The college has been accorded the UGC colleges with potential for excellence status under the CPE scheme by UGC New Delhi. It also has been accorded the platinum category by the CII AICTE survey and has been conferred A grade by the Department of Higher Education, Andhra Pradesh. The college has participated in the NIRF ranking, and it is in the bandwidth of 201 to 250 for the year 2021. Of course, the employability has been very good, and 1,800 students have been placed in various companies. For this FDP program, so sustainability has been a very important topic. I am being from the mechanical engineering. I understand energy is one of the most important challenges that we'll be going through. And of course, environment is something which we have to live along with. I believe that challenges also do provide opportunities. And by listening to the eminent speakers through this particular week. I think for fellow participants, the faculty will be more empowered with the various topics. So I thank you for providing an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Dr. A. Chidambar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, to introduce our chief guest, Dr. K. N. Satyanarayana Garu, Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati.
Good morning to all and all present here.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, is the screen visible, sir? Sir, is the screen visible, sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Good morning, everyone present here. So it gives me immense pleasure in giving a brief about Dr. K. N. Satyanarayana, Director IIT Tirupati. Dr. K. N. Satyanarayana sir has done his graduation in civil engineering from IIT Madras. He then received the MS and PhD degree specialization in construction engineering and management from Clemson University, USA. He has been a faculty member of IIT Madras since 1991. In 2009, he was a visiting professor at Iowa State University, USA. His teaching and research and consulting interests are in the areas of project management, construction contracts, construction productivity, construction equipment, C&D waste management, and public-private partnerships. He has published extensively in these areas. He is the recipient of many academic awards, including the PM India Distinguished Scholar Award in 2011. At IIT Madras, he served as advisor alumni affairs in 2004 to 2009 and chairman engineering unit from 2010 to 2013. He is currently the chairman of the implementation committee for IIT Madras Research Park Phase 2, which is about 1 million square feet facility. He has served on the committees for setting up new campuses, including IIT Trichy, IIT Indore, and IIT Jodhpur. He is the chairman of the Academic Advisory Group, Project Management Institute (PMI), vice chairman, board of advisors of the Glass Academy, expert member on the board of management of Building Materials and Promotion Council, and serves as the independent director for 5 company boards. Due to time constraint, I stop with this and thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. K. N. Satyanarayana to deliver his inaugural address. Sir, please, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ganesh, and the other representatives from Sividyaniketan, including the principal, Dr. Satish, Dr. Ishwar Reddy, the head of the department, and the Dr. Raju, Hemadi Prasad Raju, who's been in touch with me regarding this program. I'm very happy to note that that the Atul program has been awarded to Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College. This is a great initiative from ACTE. They are this year planning to run 1,500 Atul programs, such programs across the country, and it's sort of a huge initiative. And last year they ran something like 800 or nearly 1,000 programs, and they've been ramping it up quite extensively. And the pandemic has helped in ramping up. While pandemic has deterred a lot of other things, the COVID pandemic has made everyone comfortable to attend programs online, and this is what has made it possible to reach out to a larger audience across the country, to faculty and researchers all over the country. Because otherwise, if we had done the same program 2 years back, everyone would have thought about doing it in the college, spend a lot of time taking care of logistics. How do you bring those people? Where do you put them up? How do you pay them? How do you get the experts? Right? All these things are easily taken care of now. And I had the opportunity of 3 weeks back, every week they're rolling out 30 to 40 of these workshops. And about 3 years back, I was called by ACT to inaugurate about 27 of these FDP programs en masse in one shot. And my own institute at IIT Tirupati is under this current year Atul programs. We are doing about 6 programs, I think. In fact, we did one about 3 weeks back. There's one currently running actually right now on academic writing that my colleague Prabhashankar Dwivedi has been running. I went and so I've been busy inaugurating some of these workshops. I went and inaugurated this on last Friday, and the topic that you've chosen is very apt. The environment and sustainability. With the issues of climate change that we have. CO2 emissions, how do we control all this? And our industry, our sector, which I will talk in more detail in my talk later on, is one of the biggest contributors to this climate change issues. And as a civil engineering community, we have to be very sensitive to this civil engineering, construction, building community. And I have myself started wading into this area as a part of my research to look at some of these aspects. And more importantly, I have tried to implement this lot of sustainable practices in my own construction. Again, which I'll talk about, which basically is the underlying basis for my talk that I'm going to be giving later on. So since this is just a formal part, and I will be talking on many of these topics later on, let me stop here and congratulate the team at Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College for first getting this program approved. Secondly, choosing a very apt topic, which is the need of the hour. We're all in close proximity, IIT Tirupati, Sri Vidyaniketan, and we look forward to working closely with you on various initiatives along these lines. And all the best. I've seen the list of speakers, know most of them. In fact, the next speaker, Monto Mani, is my student at IIT Madras. Then I see 2 of my colleagues also were speakers. Dr. Suresh Jain is speaking today afternoon, and Dr. Krishna Prapurna is speaking tomorrow. I have to, during my talk, I have to leave at 11:30 because earlier also I committed to 11:30. Our first PhD student defense at IIT Tirupati is happening at 12 o'clock. Who happens to be a student of Krishna Prabhana and me. Okay, so I will have to be excused. I'm sorry for that, but I request you to excuse me at 11:30. I'll wind up my talk by 11:30. Then I see a lot of other well-known names. Dr. Krishna Reddy from Illinois. I had the opportunity to meet him and talk to him. Dr. Sudhakar Edla, and I see Dr. Deepak Vaikar joining today for the inaugural session. Again, a very well-known name in the area of sustainable energy systems. My friend Velan is speaking, I see, so you've seen put together a mix of academics and practitioners. Velan has done some really good projects. We'll be able to talk about that. Earlier, he was with the Tatas, and now he's with another Sindas, I think. Madhavi Lata, again, a professor from English. So a good set of speakers. I'd like to congratulate the organizers for bringing in this appropriate people and a good mix of practitioners and academics in delivering these talks. So with that, thank you very much for the opportunity. And once the formal program, the inaugural is over, I will start my talk. Thank you.
Sir, Krishna Reddy sir is joined, sir. He joined already.
Is there?
He's there, sir.
Oh, great.
Sir, good morning, sir. Krishna Reddy sir. Hello. Krishna Reddy sir. He joined, sir. He is in the system.
Okay, That's okay. Let's.
Very much,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you very much. Thank you
I'll
very
just
much,
add
sir.
one point. Someone is running these programs, why it has given us opportunity to reach out people, to get them engaged, is also a challenge through this mode. See, for example, I see you. I was told there are 120 registrations. I see 58 people online, out of which probably 8 people are more the organizers and the faculty and this. So probably 50 people have logged in. And because I've seen this happen in the other sessions, also other programs, also. And how do you get people really engaged through this media? If it is physical, they're all with you, so they have no option but to sit and get this. But here, they have other things to do. Go away. So that's a challenge. I leave it to you on how you're going to address this challenge of keeping them engaged towards the program and making them attend these programs and get benefit from it. I just thought I'll just a piece of advice from what I've seen that's been happening with these kinds of programs.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we would like to associate with IIT Tirupati. Sir, so in this connection, I request, so we'll sign an MOU, sir. You need to allow us.
Yeah, as I keep telling people, we don't need an MOU to make things happen. You just have to come and decide to do things together, to create a relationship with faculty members and get things going. And
yeah, we are doing that.
MOUs are all papers that sit in the cupboards, but it's more the people-to-people engagement that makes things happen. And so don't worry about MOUs. Come and start working, and then we'll formalize things later on.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir. Now I request Dr. Hemaji Prasaraju, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, to deliver his vote of thanks. Sir, please, sir.
Good morning to one and all. So I take immense pleasure in thanking all the participants and all the eminent speakers and Chief Patrons, Honorable Chairman Dr. M. Mohan Babu Garu, Revered CEO Mr. Vishnu Manchu Garu, Patron Professor L. Venugopal Reddy Garu, Advisor and Director, and advisors Dr. B.M. Satish Garu, Principal, SVEC, and Dr. P. Giridhar Reddy Garu, Director, Academics and Research, SVEC, and Convener Dr. O. Iswar Reddy Garu, Professor, HOD and Vice Chairman, Department of Civil Engineering. And amidst very busy schedule, our chief guest, Dr. K. N. Satyanarayan Garu, has accepted our promptly and for inauguration of this session, and also presentation of the session 1 on the topic construction projects, sustainability aspects and initiatives. So I thank you, sir, very much, and I also thank Dr. Deepak Vaikar and Dr. Krishna Reddy R for honoring with us by being present in the inaugural session. Thank you very much, sir. And I thank all the participants and organizers who have taken their initiatives and directly or indirectly they are helping us to conduct this 5 days ASD sponsored Atal FDP program on environmental sustainability need of the day. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Sir, now I request Dr. K. N. Satyanarayan Garu to present his topic on construction sustainability aspects and initiatives. Sir, please, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let me start sharing my presentation. I'm a Zoom person, so I'm trying to figure out this sharing. a window. It's like I had to share the whole screen. Okay, I've got it. Says my Firefox might not have screen recording permission on the computer. The system preference on that. Let me do one thing. I'll just log out and log in again. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
I'll log in through Chrome.
Yes, sir.
So nowadays, connectivity is an issue, correct?
Yes,
Most of the
yes,
time.
sir. See, our digital infrastructure is very poor.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very difficult for anybody to cope up with the requirements.
Okay. And I think because many of us are working from the home, so that adds to the connectivity issue. Network gets congested, correct?
Yes, yes.
The sustainability of the digital network will be another topic in
Yes.
future.
No, see, the demand is not met by the infrastructure.
You're right. So what we need more digital highways.
Yes. There is a lot of scope.
Yeah. Now I understand because this usually I say badal atal hai. Okay, so and atal badal hai. So change. So this is change. This is change is constant, correct? Change is constant, and constantly it changes. Badal atal hai.
So there is a need actually. So to invest more on this digital infrastructure, there should be a
Right.
government policy on this actually.
I think you have very important point you raise, and probably it is not only for India, all over the world. It has become now a requirement to provide a basic infrastructure. In future, it might become like a basic
Absolutely.
necessity, important necessity. Like at present, we say water, air, food, everything has to be provided. Infrastructure with there. So digital requirement probably will be part of it. I think, yeah, we see Professor Satyanarayan is back now. And it is a fact because the different operating systems, they nowadays conflict with each other. Chrome has got its own, and then when you try to go through some other operating system, it will get delayed.
I'm sorry, it's not allowing me to share my screen.
Sir, could you please send it through mail, sir? We will share, sir.
Yeah, just give me just 1 minute.
Probably you may have to make him co-host or something from your side. That is possible.
This Google Meet has problems that a co-host all these things.
Oh,
Yeah. No, the problem is the file is too big to be sent by mail. It's about what about
Yuvraj,
Sir,
is there any problem from your side?
sir,
I think the problem is not with their side.
no, sir, no, sir.
What is that? Allowing my browser allowing me to share data with
Sir, could you please open the PowerPoint presentation and minimize it, sir? Try sharing your screen.
What is happening is I have to go to accessibility.
privacy, and allow maybe you.
So this is the first time I'm having this problem. I haven't done it before.
Yuvraj, you just make announcement about everybody mute their audio.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Now, I request all the participants kindly mute your audio so that there will be no disturbance while the presentation is going on. Thank you.
Once the session starts, now you can mute them, everybody.
Yes, sir.
See, what it tells me when I try to share, you have this share option, right? Options. When I say share, Microsoft PowerPoint, share. Google Chrome might not have screen recording permission on a computer. Go to system preferences. Go to system preferences.
Sir, one second, sir.
Temporarily, you can stop the recording so that his presentation can come in.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm doing that, sir.